Hey everybody, this is Steve Mastio with the thought of the day. Thanks and a shout out to Whit in Texas who reminded me that this might be a good idea to put a video together. Have you ever wanted to create a promotion where you're offering only certain people a discount, but you don't want everybody else to see the promotion code? Well, you can actually do that because if you normally would create a promotion code tied to a category or subcategory or a service, it's going to be displayed when they click on promotions and they're all going to be there. Well, there's a way you can actually hide a promotion code. So let's say you're sending out a mailer or did an email campaign and created a unique code that only wanted to give to those people. Here's how you do it. So the first thing you have to do is it's best to create a new category. So I've already gone ahead and did that. Log into your admin side and you'll see that I've created a promotions category. The next thing you're going to want to do is create a subcategory under promotions. So here it is. I've created one called promotion for you. Let me move my face out of the way and it's active. And if I were to click on the services attached, I've just attached something called percentage off promotion, and doesn't really matter what number amount you put in here, and keep the duration 0 and make sure it's active. And here's the way it works. The way you create the first thing you have to do rather is create a a saved quote. So only administrators can do it. If you'll notice, there is no promotion option down here. It's just the categories, or promotion category rather. There's just the normal categories. So when I log in as an administrator, you'll now notice there is a promotion. Why? Because I made that subcategory under promotions. If we edit it, I made it a super user. Okay. Super user means it's hidden from the public, and you can make any user a super user. The other advantage is it bypasses having to put a deposit down if you do require a deposit. So you could make property managers, super users, and so forth, create subcategories just for super users that the average public cannot see. So that's how you do that. Now, once you're logged in as a administrator, you'll see promotions. So you click on promotions. It'll take you to here. You click on promotion for you, and this is the service that we called it. And we'll just say 1. Okay. Now what you want to do is click continue and then click save as a quote. All right. Actually, you'll want to click promotions for you and then choose 1, the $10. Now that's kind of irrelevant, and you'll see here in a second. But then what you want to do is you want to continue forward and you want to save that quote. Give it a name and click save quote. Okay. Well, I've already actually done that, so I'm not going to. I'm going to go ahead and jump right over to the admin side, go to promotions. Let me drag my face down here. And you'll see that I've created a promotion code called 15 off. Let's look at it. So what you would do is click add new and do exactly what I'm showing you here. Give it a name, single code of when somebody puts 15 off, give it a description. This code's going to get you 15 off today in case they click on the info box. And tie it to a specific bundle. So basically, instead of making it 15% off of a category like just carpet cleaning or just upholstery or a subcategory like just sofas or just chairs or whatever, we're going to tie it to a specific bundle, and then we're going to click on the name that I gave it. I gave it 15% off. All right. So then you're going to put 0 in the cost and you're going to put 15% in the additional amount. So if you remember correctly, we gave it a cost of $10, but that's irrelevant because we're going to zero it out right here. And anything other than that they want, 15% off. Unlimited usage. By the way, single means it can only be used once. Limited means that you can say, oh, hurry up, only the first 5 people get it, or something like that. But traditionally, you're just going to go unlimited and then give it an expiration date, or just click update and it will default to the year 99.99. See you guys then. So there it is. Now we've got a promotion that says 15% off. So let's go back over here to the consumer side and let's log out as an administrator. And then we're going to log back in as just a normal person. So we're not logged in. We're Jane Smith. You'll notice the promo category is gone because that's only for administrators and super users. And so now we go in here and we say, okay, I want an automobile cleaned and I want a large SUV truck upholstery cleaned. That's $180. I click continue and I see one truck, $180. And then I click on where it says select or enter a code. You'll notice it's not showing up here as a promotion, but if you put in 15 off in the promotion code and click apply, you get 15% off. So we're hiding it from everybody that we don't want to see it, and those that we do want to see it know the code, and they put it in. They could remove it and put in a different code or even apply a special if they want, which is different. But by putting in the code 15 off, which is what I happen to call it, it's going to give them 15% off of $180, which is $27. So that's the way you do it. Um, you know, creating a unique marketing like doing a Facebook ad or doing a MailChimp email campaign or something like that. Any questions, let me know. By the way, we're going to be in Las Vegas coming up here shortly. I think I'm there the 3rd of September for the Experience Trade Show. If anybody happens to be there, stop by, say hi. Love to show you more of FittleBug 3.0. It's very exciting. It's very fast, very unique. We built an open API for others that want to tie into it, and we've got a few other announcements coming very shortly. So, you guys have a great day, and I hope this gave you some insight for not only the public consideration, but also my clients who maybe didn't know you could do this. Take care.